This is the beginning of a new journey. Riva EL-Iseo is a refined 27-footer motorboat that, with her style, recalls the charm of tradition reinterpreted with a modern, elegant style. Making her more up-to-date is the electric version that changed her name to EL-Iseo. The absolute absence of emission, both in waters and in the air, leave them clear and clean as her livery. An incomparable style that finds her maximum expression in the new colour California Light Blue. She is thrust by a 250 kilowatt electric Parker engine, peaking at 300 kilowatts, powered by 150 kilowatt hour batteries, the same chosen by the FIA for the next Formula E World Championship, divided into two independent groups. She offers the thrill of a silent navigation at 40 knots. Boning display monitors the available energy and its use, indicating the charging status of the batteries, the range, consumption per mile, consumed energy, engine cooling, navigated miles, and the stern drive trim angle. On the display there are also the position of the interceptors and of the rudder, the use of the auto trim for the regulation of the best trim, and of the auto course for the course maintenance even with wind and current. 3 possible navigation setups. Adagio, to smoothly navigate for 10 hours at a limited speed of 5 knots. Andante, to navigate at cruising speed for up to 25 knots and retain consumptions. Allegro, to use all the power, test the electric engine thrust without comparison and reach the maximum speed. Adagio, Andante, Allegro. These names recall classic lyrical music underlying the product excellence and made in Italy. When the battery charge goes below 20%, the Adagio mode activates automatically to allow getting back to port with reduced pace and consumption. A real aesthetic and technical gem. The mahogany foredeck is carefully and repeatedly varnished to achieve an unsurpassed mirror finish. The seductive sides. The double spherical glass windshield, both fascinating and sporty. It stands out from the deck with a moulding also characteristic of Riva's large sport yachts. In the cockpit, the refined sofas with storage under the seats, the table with electric movement and the bimini. On the bridge, a drawer for personal effects. Lower down is the refrigerator and locker for fenders. EL-Iseo is built with the deepest respect for tradition and the most advanced technologies to write the future without forgetting history.